Hey everybody, today I'm going to do a tutorial on the Ivy Cube. So, I don't have many tutorials going up these days, and I want to do some simple ones. As I said last week, I would do a 3x3 one. But yeah, it's next week though, so I'm going to make a tutorial on the Ivy Cube first, so let's get started. So first off, you want to scramble it. And make sure it's fully scrambled, that the pieces are not facing together, like so. And what you want to do, this is always super intuitive, you want to solve these until like these corners are the same color on every face, and don't really mind about the centers. And after that, you want to do some commutators. So commutator is you do a move, the move opposite of that, you reverse that move, and then you reverse the other move, and then that's a commutator. On a 3x3 or a regular Rubik's Cube n×n, doing that, it's like, doesn't really do anything because three-dimensional. But this one, it turns differently, so you'll be able to do it, and then keep on doing that like so. So I'm just going to show you for this case. You do this, you like until you match it. You turn that, you turn this face up, then you turn this face down, and then you turn this face down, up. So that will get you to the solid state, and there's like a few more that you want to know. This case, let's say this one, you just again, you start out like there. You just keep on doing commutators. Again, a commutator is when you do a move, the move opposite of that, reverse that move, and reverse the other move. That's what a commutator is. So I hope you like this tutorial. If it was helpful, definitely click a thumbs up, and don't forget to feel free to subscribe. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Happy cubing.